guys, welcome and welcome back to my channel. This is your girl Sean. I'm back for another video. I am super excited about today's video because I'm doing another designer handbag unboxing. Haven't done one of these in a while because I was on a low-key no buy, but that didn't last long. I'm back, okay? Now this particular unboxing I'm super excited about because I managed to find a rare Chanel bag for less than $1,000. Now normally, if you know anything about handbags, you do not find good quality, cute Chanel bags for less than $1,000, but I found the deal of all deals and I can't wait to share it with you guys. Now this bag is pre-loved. I actually purchased it on the Real, so I'm gonna give you all of those details in just a minute. Now because I like designer and nice quality things, but I cannot stand to pay full price, that's why this video is in collaboration with a brand called Dossier. I've worked with them before. Now Dossier is a perfume company. They sell designer inspired fragrances from some of your favorite designer brands like Tom Ford, Mason, Francis, Kurt Dijon, Prada, Dior, Chanel. A lot of your favorite perfumes are really expensive, like hundreds of dollars a bottle, but not at Dossier. Their prices start as low as $29 and they come in this cute little box right here. And when you open it up, it says iconic scents, designer quality, no markups. And they always have a little information card that gives you all of the details about your scent. Now, I actually picked out two that I'm going to share with you guys. This first one is their fruity jasmine scent. Now, this is inspired by Dior's Jadot Eau de Parfum. Now, this one has notes of mandarin, green leaves, sweet pea, jasmine, lang lang, peach, sandalwood, plum, musk. Now, this scent right here is the scent that I'm wearing today. If you like a good, sexy but grown-up fruity floral, you're going to love it. Y'all know that's my favorite. I love that kind of scent. Now this scent right here is their inspired version of Tom Ford's Black Orchid. This one is a spicy floral, and this is their spicy orchid. Now this one has notes of cinnamon, which gives it that spice. Also pink pepper also gives it that spice. Mandarin, lang lang, orchid, plum, sandalwood, vanilla. It also has incense and patchouli. This scent right here, so it smells so seductive, so expensive. This is giving you all the rich auntie vibes. If you like sexy, seductive, spicy floral scents, I definitely recommend this one. If you guys want to find out more about Dossier, I'll be sure to link them below so you guys can check them out. And also be sure to use my code, which I'll link below, where you guys can get 10% off your order. So a huge thank you to them for sending me over both these fragrances and also for sponsoring a portion of today's video. Now on to the handbag. All right, so now for the piece de resistance, for the reason why you're here, it's time to unbox this bag. As you guys see, I did not cut it open. This is a genuine reaction because I really wanted you guys to see, you know, how I felt about the bag. You know, I think people do unboxings and they've already unboxed it. Like, just call it a bag reveal. But anyway, that's neither here nor there. Let's see. So like I said, I got this bag from the Real, and when you open it up, it has like this little, oh, this is the authenticity information about like how they authenticate their bags. Here's also my receipt and everything. All right, so here is the bag that I have right here. It's in the Real dust bag. And I cannot wait for you guys to see it. It is so beautiful. So this is what the bag looks like. I am so pleased with how it looks. As you guys see, it is a nylon, it's an East-West Chanel bag. I love the fact that the hardware on this is blacked out in the matte black, even the chain on this bad boy. And if you look at it up close, you'll see like it has different little prints in here, like it has the double CCs right here. I like the size of the bag. So cute. I like the weight of this as well. And I like the fact that the hardware isn't gold or silver. I don't have to worry about matching it with my accessories or anything like that. I can just wear it with black. And now the chain is a little bit short, but I think this is perfect because the armpit bags are really on trend right now. Those like shorter strap bags, that like 90s type feel is really on trend right now. But a gorgeous, gorgeous bag. Let's open this guy up. So when you open it up, it has like leather on the inside, like butter soft leather on the inside. And it says Chanel right there. Let's take this out real quick. And then you also see when you open it up, there's plenty of room inside. It even has a couple of little pockets right here. A really great size for this bag. Now this bag isn't structured, and I normally go for structured bags, so I think I'm gonna probably get like a bag shaper or something like that. Now I like this because I think I can wear this dressed up or dressed down. The nylon makes it more of a wearable type Chanel bag. Like with the nylon, I can wear this with like jeans and a t-shirt, sneakers if I wanted to. I can also wear this with like an oversized sweatshirt or something. But because it has like the shape of this, I think it would also look cute when you tuck in the chain and wear it underneath your arm as a clutch, wearing it with like a little black dress or something. All right, so next up I'm gonna actually share with you guys what actually fits in this bag in case you're looking for a bag that's similar and you wanna get an idea for what fits. So like I said, really beautiful. This part is so soft. This leather is buttery soft. But anyway, have a couple of things. So first up, it definitely fits your phone. I do have the latest iPhone, so I'm gonna pop that guy in there. Plenty of room. Now, whether you have like a key clay or something like this, or whether you have like a card case, it'll definitely fit either one. So you could do the card case or you could do the key clay. I'm more of a key clay kind of girl, so I have that in there. Plenty of room. If you want to add like a compact, you can add a compact. I have this little guy that I'm gonna pop in, some hand lotion, some hand sanitizer. So this is what the bag looks like, nice and full. So yeah, I could definitely see me rocking this. Like, I like the weight on this. Right before I purchased this bag, I looked it up all over the internet because I really wanted to make sure that I was getting a good deal. This is one of the more rare styles of Chanel bag. You don't see this one every day. I found one listing on eBay that was $1,500 and another one that was almost $2,000. So I was like, okay, I definitely have to get it. So I pulled the trigger on that. So a really great deal on this. Now in my spare time, I love to look up vintage Chanel bags, pre-loved Chanel bags, because I want to collect these. Honestly, in my dream world, I have a Chanel bag in every color, okay? And I have some unique ones and some really fun finds and some different ones and all of that. So that's what I want to do. I'll be sure and link some of my favorite pre-loved Chanel finds below in the description box so you guys can check it out in case you're in the market for a Chanel bag for a great price. I'm gonna do the research for you because I'm already doing it anyway. So I'm gonna link my favorite ones below so you guys can check them out. But a really great find on this little beauty. All right, that is pretty much it. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Be sure to thumbs up if you did. If you want to find out more about Dossier, I'll be sure to link them below. I'll also link below a promo code where you can save 10% off your order. You'll find that in the description box. Huge thank you to them for sending me over both of these scents and also for sponsoring this video. Let me know in the comment section below, what is your go-to scent this summer? What is the one that you've made the most dense out of? Let me know in the comment section below, what is your must-have summer scent? And also, what do you think of this gorgeous little Chanel bag that I've added to my collection? So that's pretty much it. I love you guys, and I'll see you all in the next video. Till next time, later divas and dudes. Deuces, honey.